finished with this?
Yeah.
You can do better than this. You're barely passing my class. You got 2 C's and a D. So what's going on?
I don't know. I guess a lot is going on.
Well, like what? Tell me about it. Look, you don't have to talk to me if you're not comfortable with that. There are other adults and other people in the school you can talk to. I'd suggest you do it. Look, this is an important year in your high school career. You can't just...
Is that new?
What, that poster? Yeah, that's new.
I didn't know you liked Parker.
My dad was a huge fan. He used to come home every night, fix himself an old-fashioned, and sit down for a couple of hours listening to Bird.
I've never noticed any of these before.
It's because you never come to class. You know, Ethan, I originally planned on majoring in jazz studies.
Really? Well, what happened?
Life.
So, what made Parker so special?
Oh man, he broke the rules. He couldn't stand being confined to the restrictions of normal musical patterns and time signatures. The man would get up on stage and he would improvise. He'd take pieces from different songs and sample and mix them all together and come out with something completely new, on the fly. And he did it by breaking the rules.
Attracted to rule breakers? Like me?
Well, that's not really what I was...
What kind of student were you?
It's really immaterial when what we're talking about here is...
You wanted to talk. I'm talking.
You're
Let's
right.
go.
It's good. I'll tell you what, you'll be surprised to hear this probably, but I wasn't the greatest student in the world. In fact, I really didn't like high school. Thought it was just a bunch of being told to follow rules, sit down, be quiet, fill out your Scantron without going over the line. You know what I mean.
So how'd you get through it?
Listening to Parker, listening to Miles Davis, even Bob Dylan. You know, sometimes I'd skip school. I'd stay home and I'd listen to those records over and over again. I'd play them for hours on end. And I tell you something, man, I got more out of those records than I got from any worksheet or any textbook my teachers threw at me. Frankly, I spent most of my high school career just trying to get out of high school. And now look at me.
Next quarter is gonna be better.
Thanks, Ethan.
And Mr. S?
Yeah.
You can do better than this.